Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb socket in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb socket. The light bulb socket holds the dispenser light bulb, connecting it to the electrical power. If nothing happens when you press the light button and the light bulb has been checked, the next thing would be replacing the light bulb socket. We need to remove the dispenser control unit. If you look from under, there are the three small openings. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, push in the tabs inside each little hole and remove the control unit. Disconnect the three wire plugs and put the control aside. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, take the four mounting screws, one in each corner, out, and remove the mounting bracket with the lever. Unscrew the light bulb, turning it counterclockwise. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the wires from the old socket. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push in the side tabs and remove the light bulb socket from the bracket. This is the old light bulb socket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Lock in the new light bulb socket. Connect the wires. It would be extremely hard to mix them up. They are different sizes. Screw in the light bulb. Let's install the dispenser bracket and lever in. Route the wires around it and then, using the Phillips screwdriver, secure it with the four screws. Please go easy on the screws. Remember, they are going into the plastic. Bring in the dispenser control unit and reconnect the wire plugs. Don't worry about the order. They are all different sizes and will only go in one way. Route the wires out of the way, install the control and push it in and up to lock in place. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.